C.T. Thomas, and Mike. Mike, call sign Buick. Back opposing. Once again, into the opposing loop. Painting a beautiful heart across the skies of North Carolina. It's Warbird Thunder! How close will I get? Most military pilots of the greatest generation received their advanced training in the Texas. And without a doubt, this aircraft played a major role in this.